mobile, and it's called blue, and now I'll start opening the box. And the company name is Huawei, and the number is 8X. Okay, now I'll open it. And this is a mobile screen protector, and it's blue and shiny inside. Fixed at the shopkeeper, and now I'll start opening. I'm removing the cover, and look at this, shiny and very blue, and it's very blue and shiny. Okay, now I'll close the cover. I'll show you the other things. Okay, now I'll show you the other ones. And this is the cover with SIM cards. And this is a new lid, and I'll get it out. Screen protector comes with the box. And now I'll get out the SIM card that is used to open the SIM card. This is the hole, and the SIM card can get out. Now it's removing. And I'm gonna put the new one. Now, double one. Look at this. You can see the shiny. Okay, now I'll keep this like this. Now I'll put this inside. Okay, now I'll put the new screen. Okay, now I'll show you this one. This one is a charger, 3-pin charger. It already have sticker, and it can plug 3-pin plug, and you can plug to the socket. Charge the cable. Now I'm going to the socket, and now I will remove this charger. Now I'll plug the other one. Look at this. Now I'll open the tape. It cannot plug now. Then let's go back. Okay, now here we are back. Here we are back to the same thing, and now I'm gonna show you the inside. Now the more things. And this is the handfree to hear our cartoons and news and YouTubes. And now this is a mobile, very tiny. Did you see that time? Okay, this is this one. That's the same thing. Now I'll start opening these cables. Okay, this has a ribbon. Now this is a charger cable. It's very like this, usually. And now this is a new charger cable, a new charging cable. Now we're gonna put it back. Okay, now I'm setting it. Do it like this, and now I'm gonna open. Now we're gonna open it. Now I'm gonna put this this charger, and now we're going to put everything to setting, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye. And I'll set this, and I'll plug this, and I'll plug that. Papa, yay! Okay, now we'll on it. Oh, now look at this. It's on. And now we'll keep it here for some times. And I'll see you next time tomorrow. Now it's charging. And now look at it. It's still charging. It should be 100%.